everyone, Beth here, your Custom Wig Company Santa Care Coordinator, again with more tips and tricks for keeping your set looking its best. One of the questions we get from a lot of our Santas is not only how to clean your wigs and sets, but how often. And the short answer is after every use, believe it or not. Whether it's an 8-hour-long work schedule where you've been moving around a lot, and really sweaty, and there's a lot of makeup buildup, that seems obvious. But even if it's just a really quick wear, cleaning it consistently every time is going to pay off for you in the long run, and I'll tell you why. Whether you use glue or tape, it's still going to cause adhesive buildup, and the longer it's allowed to come in contact with the hair and knots, the more in-depth it's going to be ingrained, the harder it's going to be to clean out later. In fact, we have an example here. This is obviously a much more extreme case, but here we've got a lot of buildup over time. And not only is it going to make it crustier, stiffer, harder to wear, as you can see if I turn it over, it's actually started to show through the lace. It's not going to feel good, it's not going to look good. Nobody wants that. Another problem with not cleaning your sets consistently is going to be unnatural yellowing of the hair. Now, anything is going to have a little bit of yellowing over time as it gets older, and the more you wear your sets, the more wear and tear there's going to be. But keeping the adhesives on for an unnaturally long time, it's only going to accelerate that process and cause even more yellowing. Now, I get it. If you're sending it in for Santa Care, we're gonna clean it for you, right? And of course we will. We're gonna take really good care of it. But while it's waiting to get to us, sitting in the box, sitting on a plane or a delivery truck, who knows in what kind of weather and temperature conditions, you're just letting that glue sit on there, and it's going to keep marinating and potentially yellow it and make it harder for us to clean it off later. So do yourselves a favor, make sure you're keeping it in tip-top condition, give it a little clean. It's kind of like cleaning your house. You know it's better if you clean it a little bit over time so you don't have a huge mess to clean up later, so just do yourself a favor and take care of it. I hope that's been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any other ideas for more tips and tricks that would be helpful, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on all of our future projects and tips. Thanks so much for watching.